Yo, what's up everyone? This is Jayzilla and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my first pickup of 2025 and comparing it to the other variations of that model. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and let's get to it. Now that it's unboxed, I did pick up the Nissan Liberty Walk R34 from the new Silhouette set. This set did come with amazing cars like the 720S, the RX-7, the RWB Porsche, and the 300ZX. And it also did come with a black chase as well too in the McLaren 720S. Taking a closer look at the R34 Liberty Walk, you do have that Thunderbolt livery as well as Liberty Walk all around the car. People love this car just because of the aggressive nature of the Liberty Walk kit. You do have your humongous front splitter, you have your side skirts, you have your rear diffuser, as well as the big wing. This did come in other colors and variations in prior releases, and we'll take a look at them in just a second. But overall for 2025, this R34 is a great one that just released. These are all the R34 Liberty Walks that I do have in my collection. Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.